Keep your property stain-free with TST 2600 stain resistance treatment from Marmac AIS. TST 2600 is specially formulated to prevent penetration from oil, water, and other liquids. TST 2600 is used to guard garage and shop floors, outdoor kitchen counters and patios, and a host of other surfaces from water and oil-based stains. Protect against staining from motor and cooking oil, water, wine, coffee, ketchup and other condiments, and much more. Apply TST 2600 with a sprayer, roller, or brush to porous cementitious substrates like concrete, brick, and granite. The uniquely small molecular size of TST 2600 surface treatment deeply penetrates the surface of the substrate as it's applied, cross-linking with itself as it cures to create a strong semi-hydrophobic shield against most common liquids. Marmac TST 2600 stain resistance treatment is easy to use, environmentally friendly, and 100% manufactured in the USA. For more information, visit marmac.com/AIS.